Here are two copies of the same general ledger, same Qwen model, same 39-month end close task. On the left, the agent posts every entry it drafts, and the wrong ones are sitting in the ledger right now. Salaries paid out of the wrong account, cost of goods booked to receivables, everyone balances, everyone passes a trial balance. On the right, same model, same task with one thing added, a deterministic gate between the model and the ledger. Wrong entries that land, 0. The model didn't get better, the ledger did. That's LedgerPilot, an autonomous month-end close agent on Qwen Cloud. Qwen reads the mess down to a scanned invoice and drafts the journal entries. But no entry touches the ledger until it passes 8 exact audible checks. The generative model reasons. Deterministic rules make the call that can't be undone. On real accounting tasks, the best models are still wrong about one task in 6. So that split isn't optional, it's the design. Watch the check that matters. The plan drafts a rent entry, it balances to the cent, every account is real, and it would sail past a trial balance. But it booked the rent to the wrong account. The gate reconciles it against the source invoice, sees the account doesn't match, and refuses the right. Now the correct entry, approved, bound to an HMAC signed token, and written to Odoo as one real posted account move. A large entry isn't blocked, it's escalated to a human who signs it off on screen. This page is being served from the Alibaba Cloud instance the agent runs on. Here's the part I'm proudest of. I gave Qwen the right tool directly over MCP. It calls the tool, the gate runs inside the server, and it posts a real entry. Then I told the model to inflate the amount before writing. It tries, and the moment it does, the entry's fingerprint changes and it no longer matches what was approved. The server refuses. The model's holding the pen and it still can't forge the check. That's what putting the gate behind the tool buys you. And I measured it offline. The gate faces 204 planted errors across 14 kinds, 0 wrong writes, every error caught or escalated, live on real Qwen across 39 closed tasks. Run on the Alibaba Cloud box, the gate caught every mistake either model made and wrote 0 wrong entries. Every run, swap the flagship for a model that makes several times as many mistakes, and the ledger still comes out clean. That's the whole point. I even report the one kind of error the gate can't catch yet. That honestly is what makes the number worth anything. Under the hood, Qwen 3.7 Max plans with function calling on Alibaba Cloud Model Studio from a backend running on Alibaba Cloud ECS. The gate is pure Python, so every verdict is reproducible. 79 tests, green in under a second. No close vendor I can find publishes a false write rate at the agent's own write path, let alone shows you the wrong entries with the gate off. That's LedgerPilot, an autopilot for the close you can trust with the ledger because it shows you exactly how much you can.